Welcome. Today we celebrate the feast of Pope St. Leo the Great. Leo was the Pope between the years 440 and 461 CE. It was a time of controversy and threat, not only for the church, but also for the city of Rome itself. It was under siege and under attack by a number of different foreign invaders. Leo was one of the popes who helped establish the primacy of the Bishop of Rome as the head of the Western Church. He did so because of the use of his many and varied talents. He was a great administrator. He successfully dealt with the heresy known as Pelagianism by emphasizing correctly the work of Christ in our salvation. His letter, his well-composed letter on the two natures of Christ, the divine nature and the human nature, which both subsisted in Christ, settled a controversy that was taking place in the Eastern Church. As you can see in the image that I have posted for today, Pope Leo actually defended Rome against an attack by Attila the Hun. In addition to that, he was a great preacher. Although he was extremely intelligent, he was able to speak directly and clearly to the needs of his own people. So we celebrate the leadership of Leo the Great today. We also can take inspiration from the use of his many talents. Pope Leo used his talents in the service of the church. And his life stands as a reminder to us that we too should use our talents, use our gifts for the benefit of the church, for the benefit of God's people. Thank you so much for watching today.